Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your coffee maker. This is something that should be done every couple of weeks here. Mine is incredibly overdue for a good cleaning. What you will need are some tablets like these. These are the Fresh Coffee Maker Cleaner tablets. You may have seen these for dishwashers as well as the ones for the washers as well. They have those. So, basic instructions, pretty easy to follow here. You want to fill the reservoir up with water and then drop one of these tablets in there, and then you're just going to hit brew, and it's going to go through the cycle there, and then just empty out the water and then put fresh water back into the reservoir, and then you want to hit brew again, and then supposedly it should be cleaned up there. Let's try it out. So I got my cup here. This is the 5 cup. You don't even need to worry about the whole basket and the filter, as you know, it's not needed during this. So I'm going to show you the tablet here in a second. It looks, I think you want to make sure that your hands are, so it comes in this packaging, this aluminum packaging. So it looks just like this. I'm just going to drop that down there, right on the inside. And close it up. Oh wow, it's fizzing up. And I believe what this does is this kind of helps get rid of hard water buildup, which is what happens over time with anything with water. Well, look at that. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and just hit brew, set down the tripod, and then let it get going. This is the Mr. Coffee 5-cup machine. And this package here comes with 3 tablets. I don't remember what I paid for this. I've had it a while actually in my cabinet. Alright, a couple of minutes here, go and pick it back up while it finishes loading up. Alright, so about 3 or 4 minutes later, the cup here is finally filled up. So it's fully emptied out the reservoir, it looks like. I'm probably going to empty this out to my flower bed here. I guess it'll probably be considered gray water. I will say the smell of this water now has a very strong vinegar scent to it. So you know for sure that this is really effectively cleaning out the reservoir as well as the pump that's in here as well. So I'm pretty confident that this is going to be highly improved from what it was. So I'm going to empty this out and then come back up, finish this thing out. Alright, so I'm back here now. I emptied out the carafe And then I'm going to cut off my coffee maker here and then open it up, because we are supposed to be putting in water now and running it through one time. I'm going to do that. All right, I'm going to pour this in and fire it up. All right, hit the brew it up. And that's all it is to it, guys. That's all you gotta do to clean your coffee maker at your house. I'm gonna let that finish up there. And I'm probably gonna put the pot into the dishwasher just to get it all freshened up with a detergent and hot water. And I'll be good to go for another few weeks. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, share. I'll see you guys soon. James Hudson over and out.